Hey guys, I'm getting ready to run out to the Dollar Tree and a couple of errands. I'm going to take you with me. I'm excited about that. It's Cindy A. Lewis here, and we're going to start the video this way this time. And I'm going to share all the goodies that I find, and hopefully I'll find some new things that we've been looking for, you've been looking for, and I've been looking for, and take you along with me. So let's go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna run out and see what goodies we can find at the Dollar Tree. Hey guys, had to stop for lunch and pick up some lunch for some folks. So at Brahms. Well, I finally made it to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna run in and see what's cooking in there. Hey, so I found some really great things at this one store in Sapulpa. Excited about that. I'm gonna go to another one and let's see if I can find those wooden hanging shelves. I haven't seen those yet, so I'm gonna go look. Okay, we're at Dollar Tree number 2. So I did pick up some little chocolate bunnies. Let me show you what I found. I think they're all in this one bag. Just a second. Hi everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and as I just mentioned, I did go to 2 Dollar Trees. I found some great things there, some great items for spring and summer and for Easter baskets possibly. So let's dig in without any further delay. All right, the first bag is got a mixture, so I'm just gonna pull it out as I can. And one thing that I did pick up are these cute little dollar kites. This one says go fly a kite. And sorry about that, my cat just walked on my tripod, so Leo. Anyway, really fun, and I know that the kids love kites. And with the kind of wind you have in summer and spring, it's great weather here, so I don't know how it is where you are. Okay, if we find more, then we'll find more. All right, so I did find chocolate bunnies for your Easter basket. If you want chocolate crosses, they have those too, so just to let you know. These are Russell Stover, so name brand here. And this one is white fudge, and this one is peanut butter. So anyway, those are yummy. And then they had hippity and hoppity. So these are the hollow bunnies, I believe, and you can dip them in peanut butter. How many of you did that growing up? I did that because I'm not a real huge chocolate fan, so I would dip my chocolate bunny in peanut butter. Instant Reese's cup, there you go. I did pick up these little warhead chewy bunnies. They are Easter, and let's see, they're green apple, watermelon, and blue raspberry. Got that little sour twist to them. You know, kids really like that. Also, can't forget the kitty cat. So I did get some Temptations. Who buys Temptations for their kitty cat? I do. And he usually finds them and starts sniffing the bags. So just let you know that. I'm going to try to save the toys. Let's see. I did pick up some jelly beans. They were having some kind of contest there. And who can resist jelly beans? These are just the Coastal Bay brand. But, you know, I don't want to miss out on my jelly beans like I did last year. How many of you were able to get your jelly bean fix last year? I wasn't able to, so it was kind of a tough one. Because I really love jelly beans. How about you? All right, let's jump right on in. Some more candy, Smarties, great standby. And they have these Twizzlers pull and peel little snack bag. It has, does it say how many are in here? It says 1.52 ounces. They're all individually wrapped, and it says 4 servings per container, so there's about 8 in here. And those would be good for Easter eggs and stuffing Easter eggs. Another little snack treat are these Fudge Stripe Keebler cookies, another name brand. These are really good and they're individually packed so that you can put them in separate Easter baskets as well, or just serve them if you like to. Then for your water drinks, they have these fun little packets that you can put in your water bottle. And this one is Sun-Kissed Orange, A&W Root Beer, and Starburst All Pink. Who likes the all pink Starburst? Or do you like a different color of Starburst? Let me know what you think. All right, so I've got some toys here and I'm trying to wait. Let's see. How many of you do put together Easter baskets for your grown children? I just wonder that. Okay. Here, let me pull the rest out of this bag. I have some big, huge bags. Okay. I did get a couple of other flavors for your water, Sun-Kissed Grape, and this Weiler's Strawberry Lemonade. So these are all cool name brand, you know, items that are really neat to get from Dollar Tree. Now, some of the toys that I picked up, here we go, for your Easter baskets. Crazy 8 cards, not only fun, but educational. And then these are the Make It Blocks Defenders. These are like Legos. And these are the little people. I don't know who they are. They're the Defenders. So that's who they are. And then here is a plastic boomerang. We'll have to try that out. And then a yo-yo, standard. That's good. How many of you had a yo-yo growing up? Yeah? All right, then I did get a couple of little things. These are for hiding, and these are just a couple of little bitty tiny Disney character and Justice League. This is Anna, and this is Batman. I have 2 more in here somewhere in one of these bags. Then Bubbles, great standby, totally fun, and look, you get 3 different sizes. Wow. Okay. Before I go to the other bag, I'm going to go ahead and show you the rest of this. I did get some seeds. I had bought some seeds previously of little vegetables for kids' church. And I thought, well, I'll get some flowers because they were already growing. So I thought, well, and these were $4 for $1, guys, at the Dollar Tree. Then they had this LED string light that are leaves. So I thought you can kind of see, you can see the leaves here, the leaves. Each leaf is really pretty and there's a light inside of it. How fun is that? Okay. And then these little paddle balls, they had different characters on them, and this one is a bunny. All right. Then they had some fun signs for your decor. And this one is really cute, and I love the metal on it. It says, "Life begins with coffee." Now, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but my husband is. And this is really cute. Look at that. I really like that. And then this one says, "Blessed and highly favored." Have someone I might give that to. And this one says, "Go out and do amazing things," which I wish for you guys. All right. I did find some stickers, and you know, I'm always looking at the stickers. So I found these really fun musical ones, and may have bought some similar to this before, but these are really cute, and I love that piano. I play the piano, by the way. Does anybody else play the piano or keyboard? And then they have these pretty butterflies and flowers. And then I love these little stickers like this. They're kind of they stand out. It just says craft, but they have a little pearl on them, and you can color them to match whatever you're making. And then this is some cute candies. I did get one other candies, but not exactly like this. Then I did pick up some of the pink pearls. That one's trying to get away. See it? And these are rub-on transfers, all kinds of happy sayings. And it has happy birthday, surprise, fun, happy birthday, just party, just fun, scripted. And then the sloths, too cute not to pick up these sloths. It says, take time to chill, lazy day, take your time, tree hugs. So cute. Okay, and then this one is home, family, and I love this little hourglass here. I think we could make that, you guys. And then some more butterflies. They had purple and this real pretty kind of peachy pink, or yeah, it's pink. Anyway, these butterflies are so pretty, and you get 33 in each package. So it's a really, really good deal. And if you're going to be making anything where you need butterflies, check those out because you can glue them on. You don't have to you can make them into your own sticker. All right, let's see what else I got here. All right, another toy fun for the kiddos, this little foam airplane, really cute. And then I did get some eggs, so I'm going to show you. I did get some of these big eggs. I figure 3 to each basket for my family is enough. I did pick up some wooden shapes. You get 6. This is from the Crafter Square section. You get 2 hearts, 2 stars, and 2 flowers. And I wanted to make sure I had those because I have a craft or DIY I want to do with, you know, mixed media and kind of the steampunk vibe. Yeah, I know, it's a blooper. Okay, so anyway, then some granola bars. How many of you guys like granola bars? Just wondering. Then they did have Peeps at one of the stores, but not all the stores have Peeps, so I did pick those up. Some people love Peeps, and some people don't like them at all. Another little quick pick up are these little lollipops. They're either the round ones or the long, skinny ones, and those are for kids' church. All right, I have another big bag here. I'm going to show you, believe it or not. All right, so I did get 2 little golf play sets. You get 3 balls, the little place for the golf ball to go in, your little tee, and you know, I think that's your flag. You get your flag and your golf club. So I did get 2 of those, and some more toys you could put in your basket. How old did you say your son was? All right, these are fun. You put them on and they spin, and they're really, really fun to play with. And so I did get a couple of those. Let's see. A couple of snack things. The Swiss rolls, those are fun. And then these Cheez-It Grooves, the sharp cheddar, white cheddar. And those are really good too. So fun little snacks. You can put those in Easter baskets if you want to. I did get, here's the Superman little mini character. And here is the Elsa. So cute, cute little characters. Another thing that you could put in your Easter basket is toy. Here is the football with a little flag on the end. I guess that's what it is. Is that a flag? I don't know. It's like an arrow. Anyway, I did go ahead and pick up one of the mushrooms from the little fairy garden area, and I'm wanting to put together a succulent little display, and I need this little mushroom here. So pick that up. Then they also had in the garden area where I picked up the seeds, they had these flower rockets. Who has tried these? I have not. I guess it's just you plant it and it grows. I figure I can't hurt that too much, and it would be fun to see what flowers come out of it. So this one is the fragrance bouquet, and this one is the zinnia mix. That ought to be pretty. And this one is the summer bouquet. So who has tried these? I'm interested to know. And there's over 500 seeds in there, so some of them are bound to grow. All right, I did pick up some nautical rope. These are 9.5 feet each, and I use that a lot in my projects. And let's see, oh, the only other chocolate that I did pick up for the Easter baskets are the eggs that are peanut butter on the inside. So I did get those. Peanut butter and chocolate just seems to go together. I don't know. Is that what you guys think too? Then I did get some household things. Some Carpet Fresh. This is Arm & Hammer. Another brand name. I did get some big storage bags. These are 2.5 gallons. And I just needed one. And I thought, well, I could use 5. So I went ahead and picked that up. I haven't tried this hummingbird food yet. I'm wondering if you guys have, but I thought I would try it and see if any hummingbirds are out here at my new house. I did get some air freshener. This is another name brand. This is Air Wick, and one is Fresh Linen and one is Hawaiian. So anyway, can't wait to get those set where they need to go. And lastly, one other thing, we just made it all the way through just about some bubble bath. I do appreciate my bath in the evenings. It helps me just kind of wind down. So anyway, that is my massive haul from Dollar Tree, 2 Dollar Trees, with a lot of name brand items. So it's really cool. And Easter, getting ready for Easter. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of those that subscribe to my channel and you're part of my YouTube family. And I hope you have a lovely evening. Thanks. Bye.